Walking around. Ayun na yung lake ko. Sa temple guys, dito ayan tayin.
First day of the year 2025. So, ang aming goal for 2025, more travels.
Ito kami, naglulustay ng pera. Unang araw ng 2025.
Ilang milyon ang winidraw?
3 million. 6 million. Mga milyonarya.
Grabe, milyonarya na po kami dito.
Saan lugar ba po guys?
Andito po kami sa Homken Lake. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung aking pronunciation. Ayan. So, enjoy the view. Free lang yung entrance dito. Unless napupunta kayo sa museum ba yan? Ayan.
Medyo kanina nilalamig. ngayon. Luhaan na ang mga hindi lumuluha dapat. Ang daming tao dito. Tapos ang daming mga naka-costume. Hindi namin alam kung ano, baka may festival sila ngayon o special event.
So 1st of January 2025, so we're celebrating New Year dito sa Hanoi together with my Dokling. Ayan. Si Shang Shang. Please follow him sa Chill Bike. At ayun si Tita Ayen, pastor's wife. Nawala yung husband. So, maganda yung aming maganda yung aming hotel accommodation kasi malapit siya dito. It's only 5 minutes away from Madalis Central Hotel. Dito po kami sa Boncha o Boncha. Ayan, ito po yung aming pagkain. It's really nice. So, Boncha. And we have the lumpia and sweet soup. Oo. So, meron pa kaming in-order na spring rolls. At saka drinks. Ito na ba yung drinks namin? Ito yung aming drinks. Ayan. Sarap. Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain?
Yeah, masarap.
Baka mahuhulog, no? Ayan. Oh. Ilagay mo na lang dyan, Chang, oh, para nakabitin siya.
Grabe. Umabot sa lang.
Oo. Sarap niyan. Yan. Yum, yum. Feeling ko parang kulang. Di ba nag-extra pa tayo ng spring rolls? Sarap. Bon appetit.
Let's go. Shopping ba to? Uy, may party oh. Kanina.
Lake pa din, nasa kabilang side.
Nasa lake na kami, guys.
So this is Hanoi Lake, the biggest, I think, I'm not sure, sa Hanoi, which is near Old Quarter. Medyo malapit lang dito yung aming hotel accommodation. So ito yung tinatawag nilang Han Kiem Lake. I'm not sure. Ayan, so ganito ang itsura niya sa gabi. In the middle, they have the pagoda. Hindi ko alam kung paano sila makakapunta ron. And then on that side is mainly the shopping street. So all the luxury brands and the local brands. So today is 1st of January 2025. They have, I think, a holiday. Like a New Year holiday too. So medyo busy lahat ng tao nasa labas. And they close the street in preparation for the people who's joining the event. I think tonight there are going to be a lot of events here in Hanoi. So enjoy the view.